How to use advanced feature in Snapchat. You can use advanced feature in Snapchat by accessing director's mode for more control over video editing, using multi-snap to take multiple photo or video at once, and utilizing AI snap for creative transformation as well. In order to do this, you can open the Snapchat app, make sure that the application is completely updated. So, uh, what you have to do is in order to access the director mode on the main screen or the main camera screen, tap the film camera icon. You could find it right over here. So here it is, director mode. You could go ahead and toggle the button for that. You could record a video from both front and the rear camera at the same time, and you could choose from a various layout like picture in picture, vertical and horizontal as well. You could also change the background of your YouTube video or your video by adding the image of your camera roll. Record your content while the app automatically replaces your original background. And after recording, you could also use the advanced editing option to add a voiceover and music from the Snapchat library text as well. So that's how you could actually do. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.